Hello, there are lots of good videos on how to replace the water pump on an LG front-loading washer. I found the reason the pump failed was this cavity was absolutely filled with iron filings, and that's what prevented the pump. I bought a pump from Amazon for about $25. A second thing I did from watching the video is I removed the spring wire from this side rather than most the videos show this side. It was much more difficult, but I'm glad I did because the drains underneath here were plugged up with hair. I can only surmise the iron filings come through the water supply, but they definitely made the pump not work. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.